We have arrived at Goodwill. I parked and I am hungry for a bargain. Let's go do this. Actually, let's rewind a bit. Hi everyone, I'm Amanda, the Buzzed Artist, and I make art tutorials on this channel. Lately, I've been a little obsessed with DIY shows. The idea of finding someone's junk in a thrift store and turning it into a beautiful piece of art really appealed to me. So, in the spirit of fickleness, I decided to start a brand new series in this channel called Thrifting Art. Actual thrift store items and turn them into a beautiful piece of art. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please be sure to give this video a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. You know what to do. So now that we're caught up, let's get back to it.
Thrifting with the Buzzed Artist.
She's crazy.
Locked and loaded. I'm super excited. I got this really cool canvas and it's really big in size, and for the price that I got it for, it's a steal. Usually for those types of canvases, you're looking at like at least $20 to $30 just to get that big of a canvas. I really got a good deal. Now I gotta go figure out what really cool thing to place on this, so let's get to it.
So after some brainstorming, I think this one is really cool. I want to do something that is like more of like shock, big eyes, and kind of like surprise expression. I want to put the exclamational saying, so I want to say shooketh or shook on this. I think that'll be hilarious. Hi everybody! So I brought my canvas in and I was just testing to see if the lettering actually does come off, and it does. So I just started peel it off here. Very lucky for me, I don't have to do a lot of scraping or hard work to really get whatever is on here off. It's peeling time. Oh, this is gonna take me a while. Last one. Woo! That was a lot. So this has all been unpeeled and cleaned off, and now we are ready for sanding. Alright. Managed to take out some trapped hair that was in here, so that was pretty gross. Now that I got the overall composition of this down, where I have her face, which is a pretty close-up of her face as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a speech bubble here eventually that'll say shook, quaking, something to that nature. I think that'll be a really cool emotional action shot. what we got so far. It's looking pretty good. Kinda liking it. Looks like something did not go to plan. I tried to do those spikes in the back of the speech column. That did not work. So what I'm going to try to do is just cover it up and maybe just try one more time. If not, I might just give up on the spikes in the background. Oops. I think I might go with the pink actually because it has a nice contrast to the green. If I really want to make this look shook, I got to make the colors go for that too. I ended up going to Photoshop and making a stencil with a certain font that is specifically pop art. So I'm gonna go and cut them out, lace them as best as I can, outline, and paint on top. Here we go. So shook, so cool. I'm just gonna like play around with the placement and then just start to trace this on. Shook. That is how I upcycled an old, boring canvas into a really cool, playful, and much of a statement piece work of art. I am in love with this painting. I really pushed the bounds on what I've done in the past. I've never worked with a canvas this big before, so I'm really happy with my results. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, you know what to do, so that you can see more fun art tutorials, art tips, tricks, DIY thrift storing, and all that kind of fun stuff. And remember, always love yourself and just have fun with your acrylic paint. Amanda the Buzzed Artist, out!